My name is Brandon D, and today I will be teaching you how to host a GHOA. So what that stands for is Google Hangouts on Air. So what we're going to do there is we're going to create a new conversation, new group. Your contacts might be here. Don't worry about those. You're going to type in any name, email, phone, anything you want. And you're going to name the group, do test, and we're going to do my other email. Okay. And then we're going to press this little check mark. This will pop up on a new conversation. And then we can do some video calls. We can chat with them face to face if you have a camera. We can also see who the people are. And press on in. There's my other email. And you can also add people with this. And you can press settings. And these are all the settings. You can join. People can join if they have the link. You can make it add an emoji to the title of your group. And you can leave the conversation, archive it. You can see the conversation history. And this. And you can send them a message. There you go. And this is how you host your own personal Google Hangout. Be sure to turn. Have a nice day.